Hello everybody, it's Philippe de Barros here and welcome to my YouTube channel. We have a little recap of the class we did today for West Coast Swing Portugal, our intermediate West Coast Swing. So first thing we did was looking at pitch, and pitch is a tool you can choose to use and it adds a really nice feeling to your steps. So for pitch we were talking about hinging at the hips. So we're not hinging at the back or the spine, we're hinging at the hips. And then we had a drill where we had you hinging really far forward and just stepping, and you can feel more of your weight is on the ball of the foot, which is really nice. And then we had you adjusting your weight, coming up slowly, and you notice, doesn't feel as nice anymore. So we had people practicing doing this hinging, and then we've had them finding the optimum spot for them. So we're coming up and then, okay, I like it here, any more than this it starts to go, so I'm going to go back here. And then, this is a tool you can use when you dance your West Coast Swing. It feels super smooth and you feel more weighted, more dynamic. So we had that as leaders and followers trying that. So we had hinging at the hip, but then the followers can be traveling forwards with that hinge. Hinging at the hips, or pitch should I say, is dynamic. It changes throughout the dance. It doesn't have to be the whole dance like that. It can be hinging. So we then did an exercise where we both practiced hinging as we were dancing. Thank you, Hal, for helping me today here in Lisbon. So I might do some basics, but practicing my hinging and just adjusting it throughout the dance. Okay, now I might come up, I might exaggerate, see how it feels. Okay, what's the good position for me? Okay, maybe here's a nice hinge from here as I'm dancing. So that was our first bit with technique, looking at pitch. And we also spoke about posture. Posture is different. This is bad posture whilst I'm hinging, but we can hinge, have a good posture like this, which is from the hips. I can be straight up with bad posture. So posture is not related to our pitch. The next thing we did in our class was dancing to pop music, a little tool you can use. And we talked about pulsing our foot, doing tap steps, the energy going down, down, very good, down. And we spoke about as well, the chest might have a pop as you do that. So when you're in a club or you're in a pub, in a bar talking to a friend, oh, this is good music. So we spoke about how can we bring that into our West Coast Swing. So we spoke about replacing the triples with a tap step. So if we do a left side pass, we're going to do a tap step in the middle of it. So we'll do it slowly. We're going to go and a 1, 2. Then we go a tap and then replace triple step. Again, it's a 1, 2, tap, step, triple step. You can do that on any triple. If I do a sugar push, I can do it at the end of the sugar push. And a 1, 2, 3, and 4, tap and step. With the tap step, we're not doing a weight change, we're just tapping. Maybe 5% of your weight goes on it, and then you commit onto it. We spoke about odd numbers changes your weight, the weight of your foot. So if it's 1, obviously we change. So 3 does the same thing with a triple step. 1 and 2. Now we switch weight. 1 and 2, which is 3 weight transfers. So a single or a triple do the same thing. So a tap step is actually a single weight change. So it's shifting your weight. So you can do that in any of your patterns. You can add tap steps, any parts you want to. So I might do a right side pass, 1, 2. I might go for a tap and step, another tap, step, because the music is making me feel like tap stepping. And again, I might triple, she might tap step, no problem. It does not matter at all. And I believe that may have been everything we did in the class today. So these are tools. We're not saying use it every single time you dance and every single triple step, but do it as the music moves you. It tends to be more for pop music or energetic music, R&B, hip hop. So I'm Philippe. I live here in Lisbon and I specialise in West Coast Swing and solo dance. And I'd love to invite you to subscribe to this channel by clicking on that subscribe button below and on the bell icon that helps you to get notified when videos are available. And if you found this video helpful, do feel free to give it a like, a cheeky like. And if you have any questions, do feel free to contact me. And I'm always available to help as well. If you need one-to-one lessons, online or in person. And there's nothing left to do now than to wish you all a great day.